Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is another Dollar Tree DIY. I wanted something to hang. I think I'm going to put this in my laundry room. It doesn't say laundry or anything like that. Or I might put it in my craft room. I'm not sure, so we'll just see. But it's going to be a really cute Dollar Tree farmhouse DIY. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this super easy and very inexpensive Dollar Tree farmhouse DIY. Okay, I saw this the other day and I'm pretty sure I've already hauled, well, you'll see this Wednesday in a haul, but it just says Bloom from Within. I think it's adorable. So I picked up this from the Dollar Tree. It's one of their wall stickers. And Maggie is whining because she wants to go outside with her daddy. Then you're going to need, I just had some 1/4 inch plywood around the house. So I had my husband just cut it down to fit this sign. And then you'll just need 3 5-gallon paint stir sticks. These just happen to be from Lowe, so you'll need 3 of those. You'll need some Waverly Chalk paint in the mineral. I think it's so pretty. And then the Waverly Chalk paint in the plaster. And then you're going to need some brushes to paint and dry brush. And then something to cut your wood with. So let me go ahead and flip the camera down and I'll go ahead and cut a paint stir stick. I've cut them all but one. I want to show you this new little tool that I got. This is not sponsored. I bought this on my own at Lowe's, I believe it was. Okay, I have my miter box that I bought at Walmart. My husband has one like this, but now I have my very own. I feel so special. And then I picked up this DeWalt, and it's called a pull saw because I have no strength to really cut this way, but it cuts this way, so it really helps me. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in here. It's very sharp. And I just go back and forth. And you can see it cut it very nicely and it cuts very smoothly as well. So let me go ahead and get ready and we'll paint this. Okay, now I'm just going to take my chalk paint in mineral and I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to paint this all over. You could use a foam brush. I'm pretty much out of the foam brushes that really work, so that's why I'm using this brush. And you want to get all over the top and the sides completely painted. So I'm not going to have you watch me paint this because I know you know what I'm doing, but that's what we're getting and I think this is going to be really cute. So when I get this painted and I get my paint stir sticks painted, then I'll be right back. Okay, I have this all painted and it is dry. I just dried it with a hair dryer. There's a little bit of damp spots. So now I'm going to take my Waverly Chalk paint in plaster. And I'm just going to get a little bit out of here, out of this cap. I don't need much. And just kind of pounce a lot of that off. And then we're just going to take it and just start dry brushing this just to give it a little bit of an effect. I love to distress things or just make them look more farmhouse. You can put as much or as little bit as you want on this. And just use a light hand. Okay, and then we're going to go over here to our paint stir sticks. Like I said, in places it's not really completely dry, but it's pretty dry. So I'm just gonna lightly hit it And you only have to paint the front of your paint stir sticks because you're not going to see anything else. So as soon as I get these finished dry brushing, then I'll be right back. Okay, here's how our board turned out. I really think it's cute. Now we're going to take this bloom from within and just peel it off. And you can seal these if you want. And we are just going to sort of eyeball this. Make sure that I'm not covering anything. Okay, that's going to be so cute. Okay, so this is how I want it, and I put it on there just like that, okay? Like I said, you can seal this if you want. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to lay all my little pieces out like I want, and then I'm going to glue them on here. I use Gorilla Glue, and I really don't have any problems, so if you want to use E6000, you can. I found out when you use Gorilla Glue with your wood, where it goes is where it usually stays, okay? And just get that on there and press down. That's why you want to make sure you have this where you want it, because it would be, I don't know if you could get it off. Okay, then we're just going to put this, and you want to line this up with what you're doing, and then we're going to put this one coming down through here. This is so easy and so inexpensive, but it really gives us a really nice look. It looks so custom. Okay, and we are almost finished. I may just go ahead and put this in my laundry room. I'm really liking it. If you have to do laundry, you might as well enjoy it. Okay, let's take a look at it. Okay, well, here it is. I think it is adorable. Look at this. So customized, you would never know that that is just scrap wood underneath, paint stir sticks, and a Dollar Tree wall decor sticker. I love this. It is so pretty. I'll let you see it up close. You could put any colors that you wanted, but I just think this gives it such a sweet look. So I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday. I'm going to be putting up 2 videos as usual. One will be a Dollar Tree haul, and I found new finds for that. I cannot believe it. And then a planner using Dollar Tree stickers. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. So until next time, guys, bye. Okay, guys, I thought I'd let you see what it looks like up above the door coming out of my utility room going into my kitchen. I really love it. Let me zoom in, and you can see it's just so pretty. Such an easy little DIY from the Dollar Tree. So like I always said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, guys, bye.